Great location. This 4-bedroom 2-bath home has a semi-open floor plan with beautiful red oak hardwood floors through most of the home. Closing subject to lease ending on February 1, 2021. Interior pics to follow. Interior is in good condition. Awesome views off the large front covered porch and rear open deck. Nice country feel, and it's close to all amenities and everything great about Lewisburg. Nice yard offers a great place for safe play, a garden and pets. There are 2 huge trees many years old that provide some great shade and make for a wonderful tree branch swing. There is an outbuilding for additional storage. Large crawl space area offers an abundance of storage for kayaks, bicycles. New heating and air condition unit in 2020.